Is Rocket Money worth it? Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Rocket Money, a personal finance app that promises to help you save money on your monthly bills. I've been using Rocket Money for a while now, and I've had mixed results. So, in this video, I'm going to give you my honest review of Rocket Money and help you decide if it's worth your time and money. Have you ever looked at your monthly bills and thought, there's got to be a better way to save money? If so, then Rocket Money might be for you. Rocket Money is a personal finance app that helps you find and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate lower bills, and get cash back on your everyday purchases. Before I get into my review of Rocket Money, I want to talk about what it is and how it works. Rocket Money is a free app that you can download from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to link your bank accounts and credit cards. Rocket Money will then scan your transactions for unused subscriptions, such as streaming services, gym memberships, and magazine subscriptions. If Rocket Money finds any unused subscriptions, it will send you a notification and ask if you want to cancel them. Rocket Money also helps you negotiate lower bills. If you're paying too much for your cable, internet, or cell phone bill, Rocket Money can help you negotiate a lower rate. Rocket Money will contact your provider on your behalf and try to get you a better deal. Finally, Rocket Money helps you get cash back on your everyday purchases. When you shop online or in-store, you can use Rocket Money to earn cash back on your purchases. Rocket Money partners with hundreds of retailers, so you're sure to find some stores that you shop at regularly. Now that you know what Rocket Money is and how it works, let's talk about my experience with the app. I've been using Rocket Money for about a year now, and I've had mixed results. On the one hand, Rocket Money has helped me save money on my monthly bills by finding and canceling unused subscriptions and negotiating lower rates. On the other hand, I've found that Rocket Money can be a bit buggy and sometimes doesn't work as it should. Overall, I think Rocket Money is a good app that can help you save money on your monthly bills. However, it's important to note that Rocket Money is not a magic bullet. You still need to be proactive about your finances and take the time to cancel unused subscriptions and negotiate lower rates. So, is Rocket Money worth it? If you're looking for an app that can help you save money on your monthly bills, then I think Rocket Money is definitely worth a try. However, it's important to be realistic about what Rocket Money can do for you. Rocket Money is not a magic bullet, and you still need to be proactive about your finances. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about Rocket Money, please feel free to leave a comment below. In addition to the information in the video, I would also like to add that Rocket Money has a premium subscription that offers additional features, such as the ability to track your spending and set financial goals. If you're serious about saving money, I recommend considering the premium subscription. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money, please click on the link below to sign up for a free account. In addition to the information in the video, I would also like to add that Rocket Money has been featured in a number of major publications, such as the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, and Forbes. This gives you peace of mind knowing that Rocket Money is a reputable company. I would also like to add that Rocket Money has a strong customer satisfaction rating. This means that you can be confident that you will have a positive experience using the app. Overall, I believe that Rocket Money is a valuable tool that can help you save money on your monthly bills. If you're looking for a way to save money, I highly recommend giving Rocket Money a try. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.